Hey guys, VorTX 3735, Avi here. We're going to be talking about our hand brake today. I'll give you just a nice breakdown of our brake. It's really kind of a simple brake, not super dangerous. So first thing you want to do is you're going to want to make sure that you adjust these back bolts right here with this wrench. It's the only one that we have that fits. Those adjustments are for the thickness of your material. So if you're using 16-inch, obviously you want it to be a lot closer versus if you're using quarter-inch. Like saying that it needs to be way thicker so you're able to actually get it under there and bend it. So the way this works is that there's these things that pull this piece up. So you open it, put your material in, you clamp it down, and this acts as a giant clamp. And then you pull these from underneath and you pull it up and it bends. So the only way you can really hurt yourself is if somehow you get your finger stuck underneath and you pinch it or you pull it up. So just be careful of that. It's not that common, but I've seen it happen. So whenever you mark your material and you have your line, this is the one way you're probably going to make a mistake. You want to make sure that your marked line is all the way up to this top piece. If you have your marked line on the bottom piece right here and you bend up, your bend will be about half an inch in the wrong place. So you got to make sure whenever you line it up and it's straight all the way across that it's with this piece and not this piece. Additionally, I've had more success whenever I do my bends closer to the edge versus in the middle. Because the middle, it doesn't get as tight and it'll jiggle around and wiggle, so it might not be as accurate as you hope it is. Another thing with this brake, when you make bends, you want to do little bend by little bend by little bend instead of doing a giant bend and then trying to come back. That's just because once you deform the material so far, you have a lot of trouble coming back to it. So I would just take it slow and make sure that you don't overshoot it. Because if you do, you might not be able to get it back to the angle you want. But yeah, overall this thing's pretty simple, so we're just going to demonstrate it with this right here. Do a nice, simple bend, nothing too fancy. Make sure it's straight, clamp it down all the way, pull up on it. Nice bend. So because Lexan is very flimsy, when you want to make like a 30-degree bend, you actually have to pull it up way past 30 degrees, so when it comes back down, it'll go. Yeah, not super hard, so y'all have fun. Take it easy.